how to help a nervous person in the audience to ask a question. Remember, you were also one among them. You were also a nervous person when you were an audience listening to a speaker one point in your life. Okay, so suppose, for example, one person from the audience is asking you a question and he's getting nervous, looking at the audience, looking at you, and he's a bit hesitant and he's stumbling, he's nervous, he's not able to complete the question, right? He's having issues in completing the question, as simple as that. So what do you do now? So the best thing to do is, as a speaker, as a brilliant public speaker, what you have to do is just smile, not much, smile a little, nod your head, yes, then you can tell him, oh wow, that's a great question. That's a great question. I will definitely answer your question, but with a small question. Now, after making him comfortable, to ask the question, then you can ask him a second question to get a clarity on what he wants to ask, right? So, hope you like the tip. Stay tuned for the next video.